Today we're going to focus our attention on the topic of managing your course. Now, the great thing about Udemy courses is that once you have created them, they, for the most part, require very little upkeep. Once you have put the time and effort that's required for creating the course, you can begin to earn income from paid enrollments without any substantial ongoing effort. In other words, you've put the work up front, and managing your course is not difficult. Two things you will want to do is stay abreast of any changes in the field or the topic, and update your course as needed in relationship to any changes. In addition, you'll want to encourage student engagement in the course and respond quickly, usually within 24 hours, to any student questions or messages or posts within the classroom environment, within the platform. Now, the more engaged students are, the more likely they are to both complete the course, post a positive review, and recommend it to others. So it's important, again, to ensure that you stay abreast not just of making sure that your course is updated, but making sure that you are responding and that you are doing what you can to ensure students are engaged in your course.